How you guys doing? I'm J Pitt and I'm here with Shoe MGK. We're gonna do the Adidas Tubular. First thing I do is wet the brush in water. Always put a drop of your cleaner in Shoe Magic. It's super easy. You start seeing the bubbles in seconds. Give yourself a couple seconds. You wipe them off with a nice towel. Once I do that, I use a water and stain repellent that's really popular. But so far, check out how neat they look, how great they look. Look at the rubber. Then I use a water and stain repellent. This is if you want to waterproof, you water repellent. You want to make sure you don't get those heavy stains, you know, like drink, soda. And then you let it dry overnight or a couple hours and it becomes waterproof. This is how you clean the Adidas Tubulars.